Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to build an email list from scratch. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just starting, having an email list is a powerful way to connect with your audience and grow your business. This video will cover some tips and strategies for building your email list fast, starting with 0 subscribers. Tip 1: Use YouTube to promote your email list. YouTube is an excellent platform for building an audience, and you can also use it to promote your email list. As suggested, you can add cards to your videos that link to your email sign-up page. You can also use the end screen feature to promote your email list. And don't forget to include a call to action in your video's description, encouraging viewers to sign up for your email list. Tip 2: Offer a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something valuable that you offer to your audience in exchange for their email address. This could be a free download, a discount code, or access to exclusive content. Tip 3: Leverage social media. In addition to YouTube, you can promote your email list on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Use these platforms to share your lead magnet and boost your email sign-up page. Tip 4: Use website widgets. If you have a website, you can use website widgets like SumoMe or HelloBar to promote your email list. These widgets can be placed on your website and display a sign-up form or a call to action for your visitors. Tip 5: Run a contest or giveaway. Running a contest or giveaway can be a great way to attract new subscribers to your email list. You can use a tool like Rafflecopter to run the contest and require participants to sign up for your email list to enter. Tip 6: Associate your site with your Google account. As mentioned in, the first step is joining a YouTube partner program and associating your site with your Google account. This way, you can add cards by going to the video manager. By using YouTube, social media, website widgets, lead magnets, and contests, you can attract new subscribers to your email list and grow your business. Building an email list from scratch may seem daunting, but it's possible with the right strategies. Check out the link below for more info on building a list.